Welcome to another Wise Math and Science video. It says the histogram gives information about the weights in grams of some biscuits. So we have a histogram over here. One of the biscuits is taken at random. Work out an estimate for the probability that the biscuit will have a weight between 20 grams and 40 grams. Okay, right then. So let's start by this and remind ourselves this relationship over here, which goes something like this. Once we've established this, then we can start working out the frequency over here. So I remember it as this. You've got the frequency at the top over here, so that's the I'm going to write it down over here, f of frequency, frequency density over here, and you have the class width over here. So if you want to work out the frequency, you need to multiply the frequency density and the class width. So let's look at the first one over here. You've got a height of 3 and you've got a width of 10. So 3 times 10 is going to give you 30. So let's write that down over there. Let's have a look at this block over here. You have got a height of 5 but a width of 20. 20 times 5 is going to give you 100. That's going to give you 100. Let me put the working out there as well. So this is equal to 3 multiplied by 10. This was because we had 5 multiplied by 20. 30 take away 10 is 20. And then over here you will have, let's say you have 8 multiplied by that's going to be 45 take away 30, which is going to be 15, which works out to be 120. And then let's have a look at the next one over there. It's one more time, it's going to be 10 multiplied by 15, which gives us 150. Now we need to focus our efforts over here between 20 grams and 40 grams. So 20 grams, so let's focus over here, and 40 grams. So all of this between here and here. So what we need over here, let's quickly work this one out. We actually need half of this. So we basically need a half. We essentially need to work this one out. We need a half of 100. So therefore that's going to give us 50. Because this 20 is the midpoint of 30 and 10. And over here, between 30 and 45, you have got 2/3. That's what we're interested in. We're interested in 2/3 of this section of this frequency. So therefore 2/3 multiplied by 120, 100, which equals 120 divided by 3, which is 40. 40 multiplied by 2, which gives us a frequency 80. And then what we do, we end up getting 50 plus 80. 50 plus 80 all over. Now we need to sum up. We need to sum up all of this. Let's go back over there. What did we have over here? Well, we had 30 plus 100 plus 120 plus 150. That's going to give us 100, 200, 300, 370, 400 in total. That's going to be all over 400. So that is going to be over 400. So essentially our answer is going to be 130 over 100. So let's write that down, which could be simplified too. Let's quickly work that out. So that's 130 over 400, which could be divided by 10, which gives you 13 over 40. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've benefited. Please do like, share and subscribe, as it gives me encouragement to make more videos. Thank you and goodbye.